No, there's a kangaroo down here. Maybe more than one. Where are they? They're frightened by the tractor. Poor little things. If they do get free of this paddock, they might end up being hit by a car. Where are they? Where are those kangaroos? Where are they? They're in that long grass somewhere. I hope my battery doesn't run out. Where's that kangaroo? So lovely to see them here. I want to see them here every day. Where's the beautiful kangaroo? Hear the tractor. It's frightened by the tractor. The man mowing the lawn over there. See in the distance, there's a man mowing the lawn. They're frightened by that tractor. Where's the kangaroo? Where is it? Well, the kangaroo could have gone over that way somewhere. In that long grass. It's somewhere here. I wish it would come out. I want to get some footage of a kangaroo. We don't usually have them here. I did have a wallaby on the estate once that found its way in, but we opened the gate to let it out. Still, if they ever get out of these places, they're probably going to end up on the road and get hit by a car, really. So, who knows what's going to happen to this kangaroo if it escapes.